Hey, what's up guys, Auto Fanatics. So today's video is going to be on a 1995 Ferrari 355 GTS. If you guys don't know what a GTS is, this is the one with the removable top. They actually have the Spider, the GTS, and the Coupe. This one is actually a special car for two reasons, multiple reasons actually. It's in a rare color that I've never seen in the United States before. And the funny thing is we have two of these cars in the same color that we're working on in the shop. So this is a local customer. This car came out of Japan. So it is not a US spec car. You could tell because it's got the repeater lights on the side. It also has the clear lenses in the front. Another thing too, you don't have the reflectors, lights over here and in the rear bumper as well. But this one's pretty cool because it has a very rare feature of the factory carbon fiber buckets. Okay, now this is 1990s carbon fiber. You can kind of see it's all yellowing and discoloring, but this is an extremely rare feature. And it'll be kind of cool to go for a little bit of a test drive. We're doing a lot of sorting on this car. We just rebuilt the shifter, the whole assembly back there. We just restored the entire chassis with custom coilovers and just fine-tuned the alignment and a whole bunch of other things. So this car is just one of those cars, no matter what kind of car you buy, if you're buying a 30-year-old car, don't think it's gonna be perfect out of the box. You're gonna have to put money into it. And right now, the 355s are hot. They are extremely hot on the market. If you want a donor car that's a factory 6-speed, you're gonna be paying $250,000 to well over $350,000 just for a car that's definitely gonna need to be partially restored or fully restored. So this one's kind of cool. This one has the Bosch 2.7, of course. I'll show you that real quick, but it's got a unique exhaust system, and that's why I wanna take you guys for a little bit of a spin today and throw it up there. So this one's got a Kreisseig upper Y pipe, so they delete the cats. It has sport cats, and it has a muffler by a company in Japan called ITO. See that right there? So we got the Challenge Grille. Plate says Blue Scuro. They later called it Le Mans Blue. Absolutely beautiful color. Actually my favorite blue on any older Ferrari of this era. So you kind of see there. So we're just doing some sorting on this car, but we're gonna take it for a little drive, get a little bit of an exhaust sound compilation on the back roads over by the shop.